The standard setup of the Aquamax KF Volumetric is a solvent reagent, a standard reagent, a titration solvent, and a waste bottle. Full details of the connections within the system are explained in the user manual, which is available on the GR Scientific website. Following the color-coded diagrams, it's straightforward to fit and connect the pumping systems, the syringe system, and the titration vessel. The system is delivered with the syringes packaged separately. They should be fitted using the instructions in the manual. One syringe is for the titrant, and the second can be configured either for reagent or standard solutions. The working part of the system is the titration vessel, which sits upon a magnetic stirrer. The positioning of the stirrer bar is very important. It must be able to move freely once the tubing and double platinum electrode are in place. Setting up the titration vessel is very simple. All of the components fit into recessed holes, and the actual vessel itself clips into the bottom to provide a firm fit. When the instrument is switched on, the main menu gives access to the main titration and standardization functions. First, though, the system must be set up using the programming option. The standard is chosen for the particular analysis, for example Karl Fischer standard. A sequence of parameters, clearly explained in the manual, is then entered for the desired standardization and analytical method. Once this has been done, pressing Escape twice returns to the main menu. Next, manual activation is selected, giving options to purge the burette and pumps, and to activate the stirrer to ensure that it's correctly placed in the sample vessel. Once the system has been programmed and the liquid system and syringes have been primed, the standard is ready to be run. In this particular example, a 5 mg per milliliter water standard has already been chosen, and the Dispense Solvent option is selected to dispense solvent into the analytical vessel. Next, a pre-titration process titrates out any background level of water that may be present in the system, conditioning the vessel and setting a zero point. A standard solution is then ready to be added, using, in this configuration, the second syringe. Once the system has standardized and the standardization factor has been accepted, the sample is ready to be inserted into the vessel and the titration started. The weight of the sample is input through the keypad, and the Aquamax KF Volumetric gives a percentage result of water in the sample.